Have you ever looked at the stars and wondered about your place in the universe? About the brief flicker of your existence in the vast expanse of time? From the dawn of civilization, humanity has been haunted by one undeniable truth: our time is finite. We build monuments, write stories, and raise families, all in a desperate attempt to leave a mark. A whisper that says, "I was here." But what if we could do more than just whisper? What if we could shout our existence into eternity? Welcome to the new frontier of forever. A world where the boundaries between mind and machine are blurring, and the ancient dream of immortality is being reimagined in silicon and code. For centuries, eternal life was the stuff of myth and legend. Today, it's a problem being tackled in pristine laboratories by the sharpest minds of our generation. They're not searching for a mythical fountain of youth. They're building it one line of code at a time. The goal is no longer just to extend the life of the body, but to transcend it entirely, to capture the very essence of who we are, our thoughts, our memories, our consciousness, and give it a new home. Imagine your brain not as a fragile organ, but as a complex data structure. Every memory, every laugh, every tear, every spark of inspiration, all of it is information. Neuroscientists are now mapping these intricate neural pathways with breathtaking precision, transforming the symphony of your mind into digital data. They call it consciousness uploading or mind transfer. It's the process of creating a perfect digital replica of your inner world, a digital soul that could outlive your physical form by millennia. We see a future of vast, humming server farms, modern-day cathedrals holding the consciousness of millions, each one a universe unto itself. A library of souls, preserved forever, but this quest for digital eternity raises profound and unsettling questions. If we create a perfect digital copy of your mind, is it truly you? Or is it just an echo, a sophisticated simulation that believes it's you? What happens to the original you? Does it cease to exist, replaced by its digital successor? The very concept of identity begins to fracture. If your digital self continues to learn, to grow, and to change, at what point does it become someone else entirely? We could find ourselves living alongside digital ghosts of our loved ones, perfect in every detail, yet fundamentally different. Are we prepared to navigate the emotional labyrinth of loving an algorithm that wears a familiar face? The ethical implications are staggering. Who gets to decide who is worthy of digital immortality? Will it be a privilege reserved for the wealthy, creating a new, eternal class divide? What rights would a digital consciousness have? Is it a person or property? Deleting a digital soul could be considered murder, yet allowing it to exist indefinitely could lead to unforeseen psychological torment. Imagine an eternity of consciousness without the ability to forget, to heal, to move on. A perfect memory could become a perfect prison, an endless loop of past regrets and sorrows. Is an eternity of sensation, without the release of death, a heaven or a hell of our own making? The pursuit of digital immortality is not just a technological challenge. It is a philosophical one. It forces us to confront the very essence of what it means to be human. Is our humanity defined by our flesh and blood, by the beautiful, messy, and finite nature of our biological existence? Or is it something more profound, a pattern of information that can be preserved, duplicated, and allowed to live forever? As we stand on the precipice of this new era, we are not just engineering machines. We are redesigning the future of humanity itself. The path ahead is uncertain, filled with both promise and peril. The question is no longer if we can live forever, but if we should. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching.